Star Spangled Banner, 250 years. Abraham Lincoln was a shredder. There's not so many shredders left. I don't even know if Abraham Lincoln was a real person. We don't know. But here we are. Blow some shit up. Key of G, we're starting on the 10th fret, 7th fret, 3rd fret. Back up. Back to the 10th fret. Here, you can see the tab. You can see what's going on. And it's just working its way all the way through the G major scale and all the different positions. It's got some really cool ripping parts like... I like to really let those notes sing out. I'm a little nervous tonight playing because I've worked about 54 hours this week. Slaving for the siren. I slave for the siren, if you catch my drift. And it's brutal, but it pays the bills. And the siren has me assigned as a manager. And you can imagine the daily pressure of that. So... Star Spangled Banner. I thought, Francis Scott Key. I used to live in San Francisco and I worked in Golden Gate Park and they used to have a statue and I'd sit at it every day. And I found this version online years ago and I've played it, I've memorized it, I forgot it. Tonight I'm trying to memorize it. I think you get the gist of it through my sloppy playing. I'm sure you can play it a lot better than me. With the tab and everything and practicing in it. But I just thought it'd be cool to, share 250 years of this wild social experiment, the United States of America. Slaving, working, for the man and paying the bills. Happy 4th of July if you celebrate. And once again, thanks for tuning in. I'm trying to get as many videos done before... The work gets a little, heavy again. So, thank you. Enjoy the video. You can subscribe. Thank you.